What if Claude Code could actually manage your YouTube channel for you? I'm talking about things like uploading videos, updating and optimizing titles, descriptions, and thumbnails, analyzing your channel performance, reviewing and responding to comments, and so much more. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set this up with Claude Code in just a couple minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to YouTube Studio MCP.com. Click the connect button in the top right, and then click on Connect My Channel. This will walk you through authenticating with Google and will authenticate your YouTube channel. And then for step 2, it's going to give you a command to run. I'm going to copy this command. I'm going to open up my terminal, paste that exact command, and press enter, and that's it. On to step 3. Now it's telling me I need to go to launch Claude and then do the /mcp command. So I will do just that. I'll type in Claude in my terminal. I'm going to do /mcp, and then there it shows you my YouTube Studio MCP, and I'm going to click on that or press enter because it needs authentication. And then I'm going to do authenticate. This will open up a browser window. Boom, we are done. Authentication successful. And that is it. So now you are connected. So you can do things like show me my latest YouTube uploads and offer better title suggestions. So this is just one example, but now Claude Code has full access to my YouTube channel. So it can not only look at all the data, analytics, and everything, but it can actually upload videos. It can respond to comments. It can actually make these title changes. It has all of the same capabilities that the YouTube Studio API has. And so this is very powerful. You can do a lot with this all in Claude Code. So that's it. That's how you set it up. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.